What's up YouTube, it's Andrew with the Modern Jalopy Garage. Today in this video we're going to show you exactly how we got this bed mounted onto this truck, and I do apologize in advance. After recording all of this, put the clips on my computer. My old computer just was not capable of handling such massive clips, so I lost a bunch of clips. The audio was terrible, so I did not have a mic at the time. I have a mic now, I have lights now, I have a better camera now, and a new computer, so I should be able to provide y'all content on a timely manner. So, one thing I can't control though is the rain. We're gonna have to listen to the rain in at least this intro and outro on this, because I'm having to go back and re-record some that I had lost during all this mess with the computer that I had going on. So, anyway, so looking forward to the future. I'm super pumped about being able to provide y'all with better content. I got new editing software also, so everything should be a lot better going forward. So anyways, I'm going to do a voiceover on exactly what I'm doing as we go on this video. So appreciate y'all watching, and I will see y'all at the end.
stereophonic sound for the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the orchestra, as heard from those positions. Now, when played back simultaneously on 2 separate systems, the sounds are blended together to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to obtain in a monaural recording.
So guys, just want to thank y'all for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to have a lot better content coming up here pretty soon. As you can see, I have another Crown Vic frame in the background. I just got done stripping the body on it. I just literally stripped everything out of the body, sold it on Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace. So got the fenders, doors back there. These two cars are also hopefully about to be gone. So then we can possibly make some content on the Rambler here. It's going to be a gasser project. Also have the MG back here. Probably gonna be doing some stuff to it. It is my fiance's car. So yeah, hopefully we have a lot better content coming up here pretty soon. Like I said, it should be awesome. So remember to like and subscribe. I really appreciate y'all coming in, watching the video, and I really hope to see y'all next time. So until next time, it's Andrew with Modern Jalopy Garage.